little echoes from yesterday, knocking softly on my brain. But I open up the window wide, let the fresh air in again. Summer clouds still pass me by, but they don't decide my